Hey guys, we received these Bruno Marc leather shoes for test and try. So it comes in a really nice box as you can see, and the packaging and it's a really safe card thing. So very nice shoes as I can feel it here. Little heavy sole and nice build quality. So they are the waterproof shoes and you can use it for any purpose like as a derby dress shoes or the work shoes as they are non-slip men's shoes. Side and everything looks fine. Stitching and things to still premium quality, durable material, and soft cushion with a memory foam thing. And you can see from the all sides. So this looked really nice after wearing comfortable shoes with the laces design and feel and looks good as well.